Короче, мужик предлагает франшизу One Hour называется. I'm just talking about, I'm just vlogging. Yeah, if you don't mind. So, yeah, maybe someone will interesting. I have a YouTube channel with these 10,000 subscribers. It's not too big, but it's like there is like a key subscribers who relevant or like a similar work with this industry in the US and in Russia. And I have guys who working with me. They are all Russian peoples, Russian speaking. They are not clear, but so.
Is there a big Russian market out in
where?
At least in San Jose.
No. We are working. Doesn't matter with whom. I mean, we're the same as other local HVAC companies, but we're like trying to do our best as other companies, but you know.
Well, it's easier, and I meant to bring down my laptop. Tomorrow I'll have it, so if you want to come back, you can walk you through a really short PowerPoint. It might give you a little bit of an overview of the things we bring to the table.
Yeah,
and then, I would have someone call you, because we have 3 of me that cover the country, and there's another gentleman I work with that covers California. And we could get on the phone with you and give you a little.
Because I didn't see your company in our, because when we've
been around for.
Yeah, because the one hardest thing for the peoples who want to start the business, whatever which brand, the license, I believe.
That's the yes. That's
because
which is why most of our franchisees were existing business owners.
Yeah.
Because it's easier to convert somebody that's already got the license and in the business than starting from scratch. But we do talk to some people that they want to build a business.
Yeah.
They don't know how to, and they want to be in the HVAC business. So assuming they can go find a license, then we can help with everything else.
And how much the come-in fee?
43,000.
43,000, son of a.
one-time fee.
Okay, because I think about our like a network, because right now when the guy wants to work with us, he don't pay anything. We paying like for connect him to our like knowledge database, then for free, absolutely for free. The thing is, and he don't pay for connecting to our chat where we are like sharing to each together. Like he asking like a Slack, they're like just a shared thing. So we are paying for this, so they don't pay for anything. But I can offer for them like a services, like a dispatching services. We have a dispatchers not in US, out of country. So if they demand like a dispatching services, I can give it to them.
Well, like call center, like
call center. Yeah. It's not too big, but anyway, it's like we are just growing.
We have 300 franchisees, so we're decent size, and it is what it is in terms of what we charge. That's what we charge, but we bring a lot to the table.
So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna to add like a more branches, like 20s, and after that, as you said, like charge incoming fee, coming fee, and then royalty. But it's just not like yours. It's 6%. It's too expensive. But maybe it's worth. It's hard to say.
Well, we have guys that have been with us now for 15, 18 years, and so that means they've renewed, and our renewal rate's pretty high, probably 85, 90%. So obviously, they're getting value for their royalties, but it's not for everybody.
And for example, if I have the license right now, so if I will just would like to work with you, I should just bring to you 43,000, and then
you would join the franchise for 43,000. Could be some wiggle room there, but around that.
You will do some like marketing in my place, or
yes, we handle everything for you. I mean, you still do it, but we provide all the tools and the procedures. There's a lot that we provide you, but we don't run your business for you.
Yeah.
We still
of course.
And you still own your business. We don't have any equity in it. We can't tell you how to charge, what to charge, but we give you.
And do you offer something like a CRM system, like a kind of?
It's called Successor 21.
Yeah, and advertising settings.
We have, yes, you get a business coach, you get a marketing coach,